Hey, this is Mark. In this video I'm going to show you how to budget using YNAB. But before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So basically you want to open up the app, and if you want to start budgeting, you want to click on the top right. Now, if you already don't have like a budgeting thing going on, for example like vacation, you can always create it if you were to go to the top and click on this like file thingy, and you can name it like whatever you want. So basically you'd want to come here and let's say your wants. So you want to have $500 eventually in vacation. Now of course you can always change this eventually to I buy a specific date, time, week or whatever, but in my case I have it by eventually. So now that you have it eventually, you just basically want to click on done again, and then it's going to get you back. And as you can see on this screen, it tells you a vacation 500 needed eventually. And basically what you do, you have this assign money, and you can just go to vacation tab here, and let's say I want to give $150 to it. Click on done, save assignments. Now of course I lost some money in the assign section, but as you can see in the vacation I have money here. It tells me how much I have and how much you need eventually. So that's basically how you budget. You need to know what you want and then create corresponding account with that or categories. And then once you have all of that, you just want to add money to the app, assign it and start using it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.